Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Lloyd. Today we're going to introduce this product. It's called water heater boiler. So this one is easier to cleaning and it's bigger because it's 2 liter. So when we're boiling water for a coffee and tea, which is very good. Another thing will be surprising me is the way it's not that heavy, so you won't hurt your hands when you're using it. So if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.